I feel like even that concept of love is like it depends on a person's beliefs, like what they believe love to be. Like some people don't believe love is about giving up what you care about for another person. Some people don't think like that.
Love, that's a tough one.
Oh yeah.
One. Love is it's a disease, man. It's a disease. It's and you can falling in love is pretty much falling prey to the disease. You know what I'm saying? And it happens when you least expect it. I'm not talking about attraction, right? You're attracted to X, Y, Z. Of course, there's no love without attraction, okay? But attraction necessarily does not mean love. Okay?
Not at all. Not at all. Yeah.
But love is a disease because more often than not, you are not in control of who you fall in love with.
Yeah.
Right? Sometimes you see a guy and a girl, you're like, what's she doing with him or what's he doing with her? Because she's too good for him or sometimes he's too good for her, right? Yeah. Love is inexplicable. And the young are more susceptible and they are more capable. I think it's also a capacity to be able to love is also a capacity. You need to have the capacity, which as you grow older, you're less capable because you are more aware. You also try to, when you're young, you just fall in love with a person because they're funny. Or because hey, they're good looking, or because you get along,
But here's my question, and this is the last thing I'll talk about love, which is that do you think the definition of love changes as you grow older? Like your definition of love, do you think it changes? Do you think it evolves as you grow older, as you have more life experiences?
I think the love you feel for someone can evolve over a period,
But not the concept of love in your head.
The concept of love, to me, if I have to put it very briefly, is possibly when you really love someone, I'd like to believe that you are willing to do whatever it takes to make him or her, or if it's a child, feel safe, feel secure, feel happy, feel cherished, feel loved, and feel special. You know what I'm saying? And you are willing to go to any extent, even if it's detrimental to your own happiness. That to me is the definition of love. When you are willing to put the other and the needs of the other in front of your own, right? That's love. That's true love. And it can happen, and I think the truest form of love is that of a mother and a child. And I think a close second would be a father and a child, a very close second, because biologically a mother and a child are more connected. Romantic love is difficult because most people who think they're in love are not really in love, they're just infatuated. They're heavily attracted to the other person because he or she is an attractive person, or there's something sometimes you lack something in yourself and you find that in the other. And that also causes an infatuation which you think is love. But unfortunately, most of us, when we think we fall in love, are not really in love. We're just infatuated. We're heavily attracted. So the problem with love, attraction is that it wears off. Right? Love changes, yes, of course. It changes. There's ups, there's down. And no matter how amazing and attractive the other person is, once you get to know them well, you see their flaws as well as their attributes, their positive attributes, right?
Love is a Pandora's box, so I think we should just steer clear of it for now. But it's like you can have an entire podcast just about love, but there are thousands of it, so I would tell you not to. But I mean, going back to the ratio that I was talking about, the reason I mentioned that there are more men and fewer women.
But coming back to sheep and men, I'd rather be a guy than sheep.
You'd rather be a guy than sheep or sheep than guy?
I'd rather be a guy than sheep.
Why?
Well, very few parts of the world, I'm sure there are very few parts of the world serve man biryani, dude. But, the last thing I want to do is end up, on someone's plate of dinner, And when you're a sheep, I think the chances are fairly high, Especially if there's Eid around the corner and stuff, right?
You're done. Life cycle is born.
You may have a very, very, very short and sexually active life, but you're going to end up at the butcher's table. So
you'd rather have a longer life?
I'd rather have a longer, less sexually active life,